And the big story this morning, Marin County is warning residents about the new Delta variant of COVID. It has been found in the community.
Yeah, and while the Delta variant threat lingers, vaccinations in the county are high. We have Front Porch Sara Stinson. She's in the North Bay this morning with more on this story. Good morning, Sara.
Yeah, there were two outbreaks of the Delta variant in Marin County, one being in the Fairfax and San Anselmo area and the other at a school in Novato. The good news this morning is that it's all been resolved. Those cases are not active anymore. They were able to get it under control in 14 days. And the Marin County health officer really crediting that from being just, kept in that one pocket, in those two pockets, credits that to the vaccination rate here. They've got 90% of residents vaccinated with at least one dose. So that's the good news this morning. But still, the variant is of concern with the CDC. Dr. Fauci, he says that the variant is the greatest threat to the nation's attempt to eliminate COVID-19. And so that's of concern, of course. But Marin County, since it does have such a high vaccination rate, that has definitely been the cause for it not being spreading to other people. Because people are so vaccinated, it stopped it in its tracks. Let's hear now from UCSF Dr. Rutherford about this new variant and why we may be in a good place to fight it off.
What I can tell you, though, is that viruses mutate. That's what they do, especially RNA viruses. These large RNA viruses, like the coronaviruses, mutate more slowly than other RNA viruses, but this is something we're going to be facing. And luckily, our immune systems are sophisticated and they're redundant. So you have not only the immunity provided by antibodies and memory cells that can produce antibodies, we also have the whole T cell system, which is what goes awry with HIV infection. So I think that we really have a kind of a perfect defense against this.
Now, that's good to hear because I was worried this morning. But the Delta variant, it was first identified in India. It makes up about 20% of all new cases in the United States. It's up from 10% about 2 weeks ago. So it is spreading, and it is spreading to those who are unvaccinated. So I know people have their different beliefs about the vaccine, but if you haven't gotten it yet and you want to, it surely is available, especially in Marin. So get on that if you want it. And Marin County really now efforting to try and get to 100% vaccination. That way, if this variant comes through with another outbreak, it won't spread really at all, hopefully. Reporting live in Marin County, Sara Stinson, back to you.
Yeah, we can't mess around because you were just giving the rates of the variant, but a month ago, it accounted for 2% of cases. Now 20%, so you can see how fast it spreads. And I just heard that McDonald's is giving shots. And the workers aren't doing it. You don't get it. no, it's not the word. So you order the Big Mac.
McDonald's is giving it out.
You get a free COVID shot at McDonald's. It's only going on in California right now, so look it up.
All right. Thank you, Sara. 504.